Hi everyone. In this time, let's make a drawing in Autocad. Let's start with this part in 2D. So let's start. First, we're going to make a circle to start in the center. Press 0. Com 0, enter. As you can see, let's start in the center. So the measure is 15. Let's press D, enter. 50, and this is our circle. You can you want to check the measure, double click, and here's the information, diameter 15. And let's continue. Let's draw in a line, reference line here. Now let's continue. Now let's draw the second circle, 80. So let's select circle and 80. Select. As you can see, the radius is 18 and the diameter is 116. This is wrong. So always trying to write the letter D. You want only diameter. If you don't want the diameter, only the radius, don't write nothing. As you can see, the diameter is 18. It's okay. So let's continue. Sorry. Now let's draw this part. The center here to here is 100. So let's draw a line with 100. Now let's draw this part. This part is 50 with the 120, 50 and 50. So let's this line is 15. Let me check. Yes, 50 and 50. So let's draw a rectangle, or you can draw a line. Select this point, press the letter Shift, and select from. Let's the mouse here, press 78. Here, Shift and right click from here. Now 78, 50, 50 and 100 and 50. You can cross the rectangle if you write the letter C, enter, sorry, it's, let's do it all way. So 50 and here. Now let's make this part. This has a 20 here. So we can draw in again, shift from, select this point, and you can lead the pointer like this, right 10, and here it's okay. Select mirror, select this line, press enter, select here and here, and select no, enter, and let's delete the parts I don't need. So select this, here, 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 and here. Now let's make another line. This line is here. Yeah, here to here it's 55 minus 15, it's 5. So it's 5, and this distance, it doesn't say. Let me check. Sorry, 14, and here to here is 30. Here is 25. 25 plus 5, 30. So let's draw it. So press shift, right click from here, 7, 30, 40, and close. Select trim to cut this part, and that's it. Oh, okay. If you want to detail more this part, you can make this radius 50. So let's make, select here, fillet, here, press R, enter, write this radius 50, enter, select this and this, again press enter, here, okay. You can see the command, the last command it's saving. So, and you can press enter if you want to use the last command, and that's it. So this is all about this video. Remember, this is only 2D. In another video we're going to make a 3D way. So thanks for watching, and see you.